All right, here we come to some more additional historic elevators at Grand Central Station in New York City. I didn't even know they had more elevators. It's just like the main elevators that we filmed. Peep. This one's a lot smaller. It's still a beautiful elevator cab. Look at this thing. I absolutely love the decor on this thing. Are you coming up? Go forward.
You don't go there. You ain't go there. Where you go?
Just going up to the highest floor, admiring the elevator.
Beef high floor.
Yep. Have a great day, sir. I'm gonna see if I can come back here maybe tomorrow-ish, maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. This floor is under construction. Again, I love this decor cab. This is beautiful. It's certainly getting hot here, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Back to where I started. There we go. Like I said, I don't know if this used to be Otis or Gurney. Oh, would you look, there's a separate call button. Which obviously it calls this elevator car, which is only open during the weekdays. Oh, never mind, it is open. We'll take a quick route on this one. Okay, it works. I had no idea. I'm assuming these are locked as well. I thought this was like a separate elevator of some sort. It's just like the other elevator. I'm gonna see if I can get the one on the very far left this time. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Oh, this one only serves... Oh, this is a low-rise elevator. Okay. Looks a bit small, too. Back up to you. Beautiful elevators. Look how small this thing is. It's quite small. Sounds like a train horn. Got all 3 elevator cars. Nice. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.